deeper, not even for a while. You said I'm fine, and I believe the lie. Now I'd give anything to see behind your eyes. I miss the way your hands were shaking late at night. I miss the battles you fought quietly out of sight.